Two names moved, and Wall Street treated it like an AI earthquake. The story is not that Google suddenly stopped being powerful. The story is that the market just reminded everyone what the rarest AI resource is. Reports from MarketWatch, Investors Business Daily, Barron's, and the New York Post framed the same signal from different angles. Noam Shazeer was reported moving from Google to OpenAI, while John Jumper, known for AlphaFold work, was reported moving from Google DeepMind to Anthropic. Then the stock tape lit up. Barron's reported Alphabet lost about $225 billion in market value on Monday. Other coverage described a steeper intraday hit near $270 billion. That does not mean two departures explain every dollar. Rates, valuation, competition, AI spending, and investor psychology all share the board. But the reaction made one thing visible. In frontier AI, talent is infrastructure. Google can buy chips. Google can build data centers. Reports also point to huge AI capital spending plans, with Investors Business Daily describing a 2026 AI capex range near $180 to $190 billion. But a frontier model is also a team print. It carries the judgment of people who decide what to test, what to scale, what to ignore, and what is finally good enough. So when OpenAI and Anthropic get brighter on the map, investors do not just see hiring news. They see the AI race turning into a people race. That is the real warning light. The moat is not only data, not only compute, and not only products. It is people, trust, time, and the ability to keep rare builders inside the room. The rarest chip may be the one that walks out.